This is the Painless Flipping Deal Room, and let me show you exactly what it is. It's not a course, it's not a community, it's a service. Build around the only thing that actually moves the needle in this business, and that's closing deals. Bring us a seller lead, even one you do not have under contract, and my team does the hardest parts of wholesaling with you. We negotiate with the seller, we find the buyer, we close it together, and we split the deal at closing. What that means for you is you close more deals with less leads, because you don't need the whole business figured out by yourself. Maybe you're out there hunting your first lead. Maybe you're locking up contracts, but selling them is the bottleneck. Or maybe you're running a real operation already, but your dispo team can't give every deal that you're working the attention that it deserves. Or maybe you're a little understaffed and deals are falling through the cracks. Whatever stage you're at, you focus on your part of the business and we'll take care of the rest. When you join for free, first place to go is right here to submit a deal. And there's two situations where you can really use it. One is you've got a deal under contract and you need a buyer, so you just submit it here. This is where my dispo team gets in front of the cash buyers who actually close in that market, and then we take care of the whole transaction until it closes. Two, and this is the part that nobody else does. You've got a motivated seller, but you don't have it under contract yet. Maybe the seller's talking to multiple different wholesalers and they don't want to sign a contract yet until they're sure someone can perform, or negotiations have stalled or whatever. But submit it anyway, and my closers will get on the phone with your seller and lock it up for you. But I know a lot of people in here don't have a deal to work yet, and they're still hunting their first lead, so there's training on that for free in here too. It's under the classroom, and you're going to be able to have access to lead generation training so you know the best way to generate leads, how to qualify sellers, and more in-depth training under Start here on how to find the best market to work, how to structure your day, how to use your time wisely as a wholesaler, and much more. There's no upgrade needed, and you're probably wondering, why is this all free? It's pretty simple. We make money when your deals close. Everything I showed you is in the free tier. And right here is a breakdown of everything that you get. You get to submit deals. You get straight feedback on every submission, what qualifies and exactly why. You get the free courses like I showed you in the course tab. And I'm in here working real deals in front of you. And not only that, but you get the 90-day playbook PDF digital version where you can dive in and see exactly what I do and what I tell people to do every day so they can hit their goals and close more deals. I actually have the version right here printed on my desk, but I give you all the free digital version of the 90-day playbook. Now, like I said, all of this is free with no upgrade required. And another thing is if you refer people to the deal room who upgrade, and you get your referral link right here, you just go to settings, and right here you just click on the link and you share it with other people. If they eventually upgrade, school will pay you 40% every month. Your membership can literally pay you. So these two options right here are just for people who want more of my time and are looking for more in-depth training. So premium is $97 a month, and it comes with weekly coaching calls with me where you can bring your deals or where you're stuck. It unlocks all 7 paid courses on how to close sellers, our full lead system, how to do pre-flipping. And if you're unfamiliar with what pre-flipping is, let me kind of stop here. So that's how we actually close deals that we don't even have under contract yet. And I know for a lot of people, they don't know how to do that. But it's why we're able to close so many more deals with less leads, because we know how to work with sellers before the contract's even signed. So we're sure when a buyer comes through that it's going to close. We beat out multiple wholesalers that are in negotiations with the seller because we know how to navigate the process of working with a seller that's talking to multiple other investors. Now, if you want to find your own buyers and you don't want us to dispo your deals, we'll even teach you our in-house dispo process so you can take it into your own business. The vault includes all our contracts, scripts, deal calculators, and everything, and I've spent thousands of dollars on what I'm giving you inside there. On top of all that, every call is recorded and replayable. So if you miss any of the coaching calls, you can watch them at any time. And we're not locking you up in any contracts. You can cancel in any time in 2 clicks, whether you're on the premium or VIP model. And if you're looking to save money like I am, you can actually upgrade for the annual where you'll save 17%. So instead of $97 a month, if you pay it up front, it's $80 a month. And then last thing, let me show you about the VIP, because this is the thing I'm most excited about. It comes with everything that premium has, plus, and this is the big one, the weekly live dial room where we make calls to sellers live and I'm there giving you direct feedback. I love this one because I really like to see people take action, and that's the best way to learn is through taking action, so I can see what you're doing and how I can help you improve right when it's happening, not later. Not only that, but you can submit your sales calls for personal breakdowns while I'll listen to the calls and give you feedback on what you could do better and what you're doing good. On deals that you submit where you need to find a buyer or you need us to talk to your seller and lock up the deal, we give you detailed underwriting so you know exactly how to proceed with the deal, and we give you a roadmap telling you exactly what we would do in your situation if we had the lead and we were working it. This is extremely helpful because a lot of the times you have a deal, but you just don't know how to structure it correctly. So that's what we do in the detailed underwriting. And with all that, you also get my physical 90-day wholesaling playbook shipped to your door. And I actually keep it on my desk. I use it every day and I work out of it. It gives you the structure you need in order to do this business, because this business can get difficult sometimes. There's a lot of distractions as a solopreneur, a lot of things pulling you every direction. But the 90-day wholesaling playbook allows you to stay locked in, and it helps you stay accountable to what you need to do so you can make money and close more deals. But like I said, the deal help and submitting deals is free no matter what. So if you're not interested in upgrading to the premium or VIP, I totally get it, but you can submit deals and we'll still be able to work deals with you right there. Because this is what the deal room's about. It's about closing more deals. Look, you don't learn this business by watching more videos. You learn it by doing real deals. And the best way to learn how to do this business and learn to close more deals is to learn from people that do this business and have closed hundreds of deals nationwide. That's why we do this with you, because the real way to progress and grow in this business is to get around people that are actually doing it. So let me ask you, do you have a deal right now? Join for free and submit it today. It could be getting worked on this week and assigned to a buyer ASAP. If you're still hunting for your first lead and you're still trying to figure out the best way to generate motivated seller leads, that's free too. And you can go through all the training and learn the best strategies and the best ways to do it, whether you have a marketing budget or not. So if that sounds like you, take the free course, learn the best way to generate motivated sellers, go find one, and we'll help you close it together. See you inside.